Hi guys, so I am going to teach you guys how to dye with tea. So this is kind of like what Kim Kardashian did with one of her dresses in Cannes. Hopefully I'm saying it right. In Cannes in France. Basically it's like a film festival that they have there, and she had a dress that wasn't nude enough to match her skin tone, so she dyed it with Earl Grey tea bags, and apparently this was the brand. And I'm going to be dyeing this bra. So this bra is from Victoria's Secret, and it looks nude, but it's actually white and it has a little silver trimming. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dye it. We're gonna put our water to boil. Oh wait, it's not plugged in. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. So we are going to put our water to boil, and then I'm gonna put it in here with the tea bags, and then I'll put the tea in there. So I'm just gonna watch this boil. This is actually a boiler from Hamilton Beach. It's actually pretty cool. It heats up the water pretty fast. It's really good, like if you're gonna make pasta or soup and you already want the water. So far I put in here 4 tea bags. I'm not sure how many else I might put in, and the water is still boiling. So I'm gonna take my water and I'm gonna put it in here. And you see it's already developing color. So it's all the water that I boiled in there. I'm actually going to put a little bit of milk for some reason, just to lighten it a little bit. So I put a little bit of milk in there just to give it like a little bit of ash to it. And yes, I'm using a knife. I mean, I think that's good enough. Let's see. So now I'm going to just put the bra in. So when Kim Kardashian did it in her hotel room, they actually did it in the bathroom sink, and it was a whole mesh dress, and it came out pretty good. I'll post some pictures or links. So you actually just want it to sit. So I'm gonna check what time it is. So it is 9:28. It's Thursday, November 15. See, it kind of already has that coloring. Just gonna keep gonna turn it over. So it's been like 5 or 6 minutes. And I actually put another tea bag and a little bit of milk, so it doesn't, I feel like the milk kind of diffuses the strongness of the color, but then gives it like a nice nudie touch to it. So I put another tea bag and I turned the bra. So that's what it looks like so far, and I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit. So right now is 9:31, so I'm gonna come back maybe in 10 minutes and see how it looks. So I don't think that the tea is gonna get any darker, and this is kind of the color that I'm getting. I think this is gonna be the finishing product. I think that I can make it darker, but I don't want to make it darker because I think this is good enough of a nude for me that I want. I did put some milk, more milk in there to kind of make it creamy. I don't know, I thought maybe that will help the coloring process. Who knows? So I'm just gonna leave it there. I don't think it's gonna get any darker. I'm trying to figure out if me taking it out now and rinsing it off is gonna kind of deteriorate the color payoff, or if me leaving it in here is gonna build it. So I'm just gonna let it cool off. Right now the water's still hot, so I'm just gonna let the water kind of get lukewarm, and then I'll just rinse the whole bra off and let it dry. But this is pretty much what I wanted. It actually works. Actually, yeah, I can't make up my mind. I think I'm just gonna take it out now, just in case. So right now, I didn't think. So right now is 9:48. I think I'm just gonna take it out right now, and we started at 9:25. See, I'm just gonna take it out. So I rinsed off the bra maybe like twice. Actually, I did it 3 times because I had filled this up with water. I drained the water first, the tea water, and then I filled this up with clear water, and then I like rinsed it 2 times. So I guess that's 3 times. So this is the bra. I squeezed it of the water. So I'm gonna finish squeezing it of the water, and then I'm just gonna hang it, and then you guys will see the finishing color when it is dry. And then you guys saw at the beginning what the color was. It was white. I'll link the bra below so you guys can go to the website and see if you want it in white. And then I'll show you guys what the bra looks like when it's dry. The best way to do it is just to, in general, to air dry your bras. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, this is the finishing product. The bra is still wet, so I'll redo. This is definitely the color I was trying to achieve, because I'm pretty tan right now, so I didn't want it to be white or a lighter nude. So it is like 11 p.m. well 11 a.m. the next day, and this is the bra. It's completely dry. Let it air dry and hang here. So this is the final color. I'm pretty happy with it, and that's it. Everything's pretty even. Perfect.